Assalamualaikum and good morning, friends and doctor. Today I will present on task 3. This group consists of two people, Siti Nabila binti Muhammad Nazri. Student ID is D201920916685 and Maswia binti Abdul Hamid. Student ID D2019209167. We choose the topic 5, trigonometric ratio, form 3. This is because this is extremely useful and can be applied in our daily life. Learning objective. First, identify the opposite side and adjacent side based on an acute angle in the right angle triangle. 2. Make and verify the conjecture about the relationship between acute angle and the ratio of the side of the right angle triangle and the defined sine, cosine and tangent. 3. Construct and test a conjecture about the effect of changing the sign of the angle on the value of the sine, cosine and tangent. 4. Determine the value of sine, cosine and tangent of acute angle.
Software is a set of electronic data stored and managed in a computer. There are many types of paid and unpaid software. In learning mathematics, various types of software can be used, such as GeoGebra, SPSS, Microsoft Mathematics, and others. Along with the passage of time, various software is used for teaching and learning purposes. Microsoft Mathematics is open source software and free developed by Microsoft. It is a big tool for those that are battling mathematics problems. It is quick and free, solves the foremost complicated problems of math in a simple manner. This tool contains features which will allow to unravel problems associated with mathematics, science, and other technical subjects. The software has a graphing calculator and a unit converter. Along with that, it's an equation and a triangle solver that gives solutions in steps. The advantage of Microsoft Mathematics is that it can be used to solve math, physics, and chemistry problems more quickly and easily in teaching important basic concepts. The Microsoft Mathematics feature is capable of solving complex problems in algebra, trigonometry, calculus, physics, and also chemistry. Secondly, entering data with the mouse, the keyboard, or a stylus with calculator pad given on the left side of this Microsoft Mathematics. Thirdly, this software comes with a lot of formulas and equations for algebra, geometry, trigonometry, law of exponents, properties of logarithms, and constants, including formulas of physics and chemistry. Fourthly, this software also has a good triangle solver and a unit converter from microns to astronomical units. The triangle solver is the tool which helps to calculate sides and angles of any triangle. In the teaching and learning of Pythagoras theorems, tools like this would be very helpful. Last but not least, Microsoft Mathematics, also easy to install in low-spec computer. Microsoft Mathematics also have some drawbacks in solving mathematical problems. This software is easily confused if the functions created are too complicated and cannot solve the equations given. Additionally, Microsoft Mathematics cannot export such graph data to Excel. The software also only provides not free formulas like most existing applications. Why we choose this software? Nowadays, the teaching and learning of mathematics using computer technology is much needed with the state of the world facing the COVID-19 pandemic. Microsoft Mathematics is a simpler and more advanced math solver than other low specification software. It is compatible with the topic of trigonometry studied by students in high school as well as university. This software also provides formulas and equations related to trigonometry. The calculator provided in this software, Microsoft Mathematics, can also be converted scheme and color scheme with various options that interest students to make better use of this software. Microsoft Mathematics also has a good graph tool, which is an important feature for a tool like this in both two-dimensional by plotting 2D graphs in Cartesian and polar coordinates, and three-dimensional graphs by plotting 3D graphs in Cartesian, cylindrical, and spherical coordinates. First, we need to install the Microsoft Mathematics from the Google Chrome, and then after we install the Microsoft Mathematics, open the Microsoft Mathematics, and we can see from the left side there are PET calculator, which shows the calculus, statistics, trigonometry, linear algebra, and also standard. And on the right side we can see worksheet and also graphing. For change the skin of the PET calculator, we can go to view and then click the skin, change the skin of PET calculator, and also we can change the color scheme also. Let's look at the topics at the PET calculator, which are calculus, statistics, trigonometry, linear algebra, and standard. Okay, let's click the home, and we will try to use the trigonometry solution. We will try to go to trigonometry on PET calculator. Let's fill up the question. Such example, sine 45. So we will get the answer. Also, we can use keyboard to type the equation. Sine 90, and then click enter on the right side. So we will get the answer is 1. Or we can use the ink given, so we can write it. Software will detect what we write. So, and then we need to enter, so we will get the answer. Let's try another question. Cos 90. So we will get the answer is 0. Secant, and then we type secant 30, then the Microsoft Mathematics will give the answer. Okay, after that we go to formula and equation. There are algebra, geometry, trigonometry, physics, chemistry, law of exponent, and others. So we will go to look at the formula and equation of trigonometry. There are law of sines, basics of trigonometry. So let's try sine formula. Sine A equal to A over C. So let's try A equal to 3 and C equal to 5. Then we will get the answer here. Okay, try another formula, which is tangent. Tangent A equal to A over V. So fill in A equal to 3 and B equal to 4. Then click enter. We will get the solution on the worksheet. So after this, we need to clear all the question given. And then let's try triangle solver. This related to Pythagoras theorem. Okay, first we need to fill in the question given. Fill in the sides of the triangle. For the hypotenuse A, side A equal to 39. And for the side B equal to 15. And then the angle for A is 90 degree. So after that, we need to calculate. Then it gives the answer. For the side C is 36. And the angles of B is 22.62 degree, and for the angle C is 67.38 degree.
Our group chose the application of the hand academic in the teaching and learning. First, the application including a variety of question, instructional video, and personal learning dashboard that students may use to learn anything rapidly while outside of the class. Hand academic cover a wide range of topics including mathematics, computer programming, history, art history, economy, and more. Using the hand academic application can aid in their learning. This is due to the fact that the application includes detailed notes on each topic. User particular student can study the chapter this way. Hand academic application can assist students in the discovering learning material. Advantage of using hand academic application. First, the benefit of using hand academic is that it's a free application that anyone can use. It is also supported by the large and international organizations such as Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation and Google. Hand academic application include a variety field. As a result, there are numerous related videos as a subject, such as mathematics, biology, chemistry, physics, art, economy, finance, and more others. The user can use the instructional video in the Han Academic application to speed up, repeat, and stop the video as many times as necessary to understand each learning related problem, such as the mathematical subject video of a trigonometry ratio chapter, without disturbing others. Next, there are many problem questions such as mathematics subject available through the Han Academic application for a student of all levels. Although Han Academy has many benefits for everyone, especially the student, there are some disadvantages to using Han Academy application. First, using a large amount of internet data to access the Han Academy application is one of them. It can be seen that majority of users are teenagers who are still in school. Besides, the majority of instructional video in the Han Academic application are English. This can be misleading for user, particularly students who are not fluent in English. Reason to select the Han Academic application is a one-off application that provide e-learning material. This is due to the fact that anyone who decide to download the program is free. The Han Academy application can be used at any time, is not restricted by time or location. User can access within or outside of class hour depending on their preference. Students can use Han Academy to learn a subject taught at school without having interact with others. User can also access a notes, instructional video, and exercise through the application. This is a homepage for Han Academy, and click subject mathematics. A list of chapters will appear, including pre-algebra, trigonometry, arithmetic, and more. Then click the trigonometry chapter as for example. There are 4 subtopics covered in this chapter, and we go on to the first subtopic, right angle, triangle, and trigonometry. This topic contains 3 notes, 2 video, and 4 practice questions. This application has offer detailed notes before the user learns in the form of the video to make it easier to the user to understand this topic. User can view the video that have been prepared after the study and notes. They have a transcript in instructional video that can help the user better understand the video. After learning using a notes and learning a video, user can do some questions that have been given. If user want some hint, click lime green to watch a video explanation to this question. If the answer is incorrect, this application will explain when the answer is wrong and give some hint for a question such as a video and notes description.
We can conclude that Microsoft Mathematics and Han Academy have their own benefits. The two complement each other, where Han Academy is an application that shows notes and solution paths to a mathematical problem, and Microsoft Mathematics is a software for solving mathematical problems, providing formulas and equations, and also providing a calculator pad. Therefore, using both of these software and application further facilitates the teaching and learning in mathematics.